Hi everyone, I hope you are safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 7, Subsidiary Books 2, Cash Book, Illustration 3. Enter the following transactions in a cash book with cash and a discount column. It is a cash book with cash and a discount column. Discount and cash columns has both debit and credit side. So this cash book is called as double column cash book. So before we are going to enter the given transaction into the cash book, we need to know the format of the cash and the discount column. So we need to write the title of the book, that is cash book with the cash and the discount column. The format of the cash and discount column, which means double column cash book, is divided into two parts, and left hand side we called as a debit side, the other name is a debtor, and the right hand side we called as credit side, the other name of credit side is creditor. Okay, so debit side has 4 columns and credit side also has 4 columns. Debit side has date, the 4 columns are date, receipts, LF. Amount column are subdivided into 2 columns, that is a discount and a cash. And come to credit side, it has also 4 columns, they are date, payments, LF. Amount columns are subdivided into 2 columns, that is discount and cash columns. Okay, so the debit side discount column represents discount allowed, and the credit side discount column represents the discount received. And the discount allowed are recorded in the debit side, and the discount received is to be recorded in the credit side. Okay, let's see the transaction one by one. The first transaction is 2017 January 1, cash in hand 11,500. Cash in hand means opening balance of the cash account. Okay, so opening balance of the cash account we always enter into the debit side of the cash book. So dated on January 1, to balance drawdown 11,500 is to enter into the cash column. Okay, to balance drawdown means opening balance of the cash account. And then January 5, paid to Ramanathan by depositing in cash deposit machine, that means CDM. Okay, what this transaction tells us, paid to Ramanathan means made payment to Ramanathan. So we go to the payment side, credit side, dated on January 5 by Ramanathan account. Okay, how much rupees? 300 rupees. Discount allowed by him. Discount allowed by him means when you made payment to Ramanathan gives discount. So you received discount. Okay, discount received always enter into the credit side. Okay, so in discount column you have to enter 10 rupees. Okay, then the next transaction is January 8, purchased goods for cash rupees 400. So purchased goods means expenses. You made purchases through cash. Okay, so when your cash account decreases, cash account will be credited. So you go to credit side, dated on January 8 by purchases account 400 rupees. Then the next transaction is January 10, cash received from Rajagopal rupees 980, discount allowed 20 rupees. Okay, cash received from Rajagopal means they also given the clue received. Cash received means you go to the receipt side, debit side, and enter dated on 10 on the date column. The name of the person is cash received from Rajagopal. So to Rajagopal account, in receipt side you have to write to Rajagopal account how much rupees? 980 rupees. And how much discount allowed to you? 20 rupees. In discount column you have to enter 20 rupees. Okay, so discount allowed is entered in into the debit side, and the discount received you have to enter into the credit side. Here discount allowed is given 20 rupees, so you have to enter debit side discount. Okay, then January 15 sold goods for cash rupees 400. Sold goods means you whenever you say made sales, you received the cash, right? So you have to enter this transaction into the receipt column, that means debit side. Dated on January 15, what you have write? You have to write January, dated on January 15, to sales account 400 rupees is entered into the cash column. Then January 21, paid cash to Shanti rupees 295 and discount received 5 rupees. Okay, paid cash to Shanti means you made a payment to Shanti, so you go and enter, you have to go and enter this transaction into the payment column, that means the credit side. Okay, so you go to credit side, dated on January 21, to whom you paid cash? You paid cash to Shanti. On credit side, you always started the word with by Shanti account. How much rupees you paid to Shanti? 295 rupees. So you have to enter 295 rupees into the credit cash column. Okay. Then how much discount you received from Shanti? You discount received 5 rupees. So discount received always enter into the credit side. Credit side discount column. To whom you received the discount? From Shanti. So by Shanti account 5 rupees discount received and 295 rupees enter into the cash column. Then Kritika, January 25, paid wages by cash rupees 50. Paid wages by cash means this is you made cash payment through, you made wages through cash payment. Okay, so paid wages means you go to the payment side, credit side, dated on 25, by wages account. How much rupees wages you paid? 50 rupees. So 50 rupees you have to enter into the cash column. Then January 31, paid to Sanjeev rupees 390 in full settlement of his account rupees 400. Okay, paid to Sanjeev means you made payment to Sanjeev. Full settlement means you it's a indirectly this transaction tells us you received discount, including discount only. They said full settlement. Okay, so paid Sanjeev rupees 390 in full settlement of his account 400 rupees. Okay, so what this transaction tells us? This transaction tells us this is the payment. Paid to Sanjeev means payment. You made payment to Sanjeev. So you go to credit side, dated on January 31, by Sanjeev account. How much rupees you paid? 390 rupees you paid. When you made a payment to Sanjeev, you received discount 10 rupees. Okay, so discount received you have to enter into the credit side discount column. So January 31, by Sanjeev account, discount received 10 rupees and 390 rupees you made a payment. You have to enter 390 rupees in cash column. Okay, so you have to enter, you entered all the given cash transaction into the cash and discount column. Now we are going to find the total. Okay, so first you have to find the discount column total. So discount allowed column debit side total is 20 rupees. You no need to balance the discount column total. Okay, you find the total separately. Then discount received column total is 25 rupees. You no need to find discount column balance. Okay, this discount column balance need not entered, need not balanced. Okay, just find the total of the discount column on both sides. Then come to the receipt side cash total. Always debit side cash is which side has the higher value, always debit side has the higher value. How much rupees? 12,880 rupees. The same amount you have to enter on the both side as a total. So we totaled 12,880 on both sides. Then you have to find the differences. How much differences? So what is how much lesser value from the credit side? The lesser value from the credit side is 1,435 rupees. Okay, so you have to find the differences. How do you find? You have to subtract that lesser value, that is 1,435, subtracted from the total, that is 12,880. How much you get? You get 11,445. This is the difference value. So this differences you have to enter in the lesser side. Against this you have to enter the balance carried on. This is the closing balance of the cash and discount, double column cash. And in date column you have to enter the last day of the accounting period, that is January 31. Then the difference value has to be brought down to the opposite side. So brought down to the opposite side below the total. You have to enter that difference amount below the total. So against this, two balance brought down needs to be entered, and then in date column you have to recorded the next accounting period, first day of the next accounting period, that is February 1. This is the opening balance of the cash and the discount on double column cash. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.